Hello guys, my name is Kenny at Programming House. Today we'll be creating a keystroke log script. Every button that we click on our keyboard will be logged, and in our case we'll be logging it to the console. So to get started, I suppose that you have Python 3 installed in your system. Then we'll have pip install Pynput. So as you can see here, the requirement is already satisfied. I've already installed mine. So I will clear the console. Inside here, I will have from Pynput.keyboard, I will import listener. Now I will create a function that will be called every time a keyboard button is pressed. So I will call it key press, then I will pass the key, then inside it we'll need to import the logging module too. Logging module, then we configure the logging module. So the format will be equals to we just log the message. So here we need to set the level. So the level is equals to logging.debug. So here once a keyboard button is pressed, this function will be called, and the function will just log the key press. So we just pass the key, then you have to make it to convert it to string. So now using the with context, we'll have with listener, and I have the on press method as key press as listener, then we just call the join method in the listener. So that is it. If you run this script here, maybe we try pressing any button. Let's type something here. Let's say I open the terminal and there is something like let's say sudo hoped anything to be logged here into our script. So that is it. That's our key log. It's logging into the console. So thank you guys. Make sure to subscribe.